Why does photosynthesis matter? Well, simply put, without it, life as we know it wouldn't exist. It's the natural process that plants and some other organisms use to convert sunlight into food. But did you know that not all plants photosynthesize in the same way? Today, we delve into the fascinating world of C3 and C4 photosynthesis pathways. Firstly, the C3 pathway, also known as the Calvin cycle, stands as the most common and ancient photosynthetic process. Imagine a plant leaf absorbing sunlight. That energy helps the plant combine carbon dioxide from the air with water to create glucose, the plant's food, and oxygen as a byproduct. This process happens in the chloroplasts, the little green factories of the plant cell, where sunlight is converted into energy. However, the C3 pathway has a little quirk. When the weather gets hot and dry, the plant closes its stomata, tiny pores on the leaf surface, to reduce water loss. But this also limits the amount of carbon dioxide that can enter the leaf. When this happens, the plant starts adding oxygen instead of carbon dioxide to the cycle, a process called photorespiration. While it sounds like a good backup plan, photorespiration actually costs the plant energy and doesn't produce any food. Now, enter the C4 pathway. Plants using this process have a clever trick up their leafy sleeves to avoid the energy-draining process of photorespiration. They separate the process into two different parts of the leaf. First, they use special cells around the leaf veins to capture carbon dioxide and convert it into a 4-carbon compound, hence the name C4. This compound then gets shuttled to the regular photosynthetic cells where it releases the carbon dioxide. The beauty of this process is that it allows the plant to keep the carbon dioxide concentration high, even when the stomata are closed. This means the plant can continue to make food while minimizing water loss. It's a brilliant adaptation for plants living in hot, dry environments. So, to summarize, the C3 pathway is the most common photosynthetic process. It's simple and effective, but can lead to energy loss through photorespiration when the plant's stomata close to conserve water. On the other hand, the C4 pathway, while less common, is a fantastic adaptation for plants in hot, dry climates. It allows them to conserve water while maintaining a high rate of photosynthesis. Understanding these processes gives us a deeper appreciation of the adaptability and resilience of plants. It's also crucial in our efforts to improve crop yields and combat food insecurity. After all, the more we understand about how plants make their food, the better we can support them and, in turn, support life on Earth. Now, isn't that something to ponder on your next walk in the park?